Hello everybody, welcome to my new video. And in this video of mine, we have our very special client Mr. Jonathan, who has come from New York, USA. He is the resident of USA, and only for his treatment purpose he has trusted and visited Healthy Colors Clinic here in Hyderabad. It's been 6 months he was in contact with us because he was having a concern for his vitiligo white patches for his lips area. As you can see, like this area, actually he wanted to get treated with us here in Healthy Colors. For that he has come from New York to India. So Mr. Jonathan, when did you landed in India?
I landed in India 2 days ago.
2 days back. Okay. And where you are residing here in India?
I'm residing at Taj Deccan Hotel.
Taj Deccan Hotel he is residing, and my client going to be here for 5 days because we have instructed him post treatment he should be taking 5 days rest, and after we remove his dressing he will be flying back to his hometown New York. So he is our very special client for whom we are going to give him a combination treatment. We are going to use various techniques for this vitiligo white patch. Firstly, we are going to go with melanocyte transplant combined with micro graft, and along with that we are going to use full length skin graft on the top of micro graft also, to ensure that we give the best results to my foreign client Mr. Jonathan. So Mr. Jonathan, some more questions I would like to ask here. Why did you choose Healthy Colors Clinic for your this treatment? Because you must have done many research, many clinics in around America, and
So in New York is not too many vitiligo treatment, and if they do have vitiligo treatment, it doesn't work.
It doesn't work. So that's the main thing. So what fascinated you to join and choose Healthy Colors Clinic for this treatment? Where did you see us?
I saw you on YouTube.
On the YouTube you have seen us, okay?
And research.
On research you have done, and then you decided Healthy Colors Clinic going to be the best clinic for you this treatment. Thank you very much for that. We are going to start this treatment, and we are going to show you also how we are going to take this type of cases here in Healthy Colors. So this is the white vitiligo patch for which my client has come in the clinic for the treatment. So first we have already taken the skin graft. Now we are going to go with fractional laser and dermabrasion to create minor injury on the area to be treated. So this is the fractional laser we are going to use to make the treatment area raw before we put the melanin cell suspension on that. So we are going to use the fractional laser here. So here we are giving fractional laser shot to make the area rough, so that when we apply the skin cells, it can take up well. So here is how we have roughened the area with the laser. So while the treatment procedure is on, we take all the protocols. We ensure that blood pressure, SpO2 pulse is not going high. Here slightly 137 by 86 is on little higher side, because we have used lidocaine with ADR. That's the reason temporarily it is little high, but then as soon the treatment gets over, this will be in a normal range. So this technique of making the skin rough is called dermabrasion, and when we are giving the dermabrasion, we are ensuring that we are not going very deep into the skin, and mainly we are concentrating on the white patch. You can see the pinpoint bleeding which is coming. Both upper lips and lower lips we are covering here. So we are dermabrating both the sides. So to make the skin rough, first we have given fractional laser, and after the fractional laser we are dermabrating the area to ensure best results. So this is how we are separating the melanin cell from the skin graft which we have taken earlier, and we are separating the melanin cells from the, so here which you can see this brown pigment which is getting extracted from this skin, that is the skin cell here. We have already prepared the thin micrograft, if you can see the hair. So here we have prepared already the micro skin graft which we are going to use now along with this melanin cell suspension. So friends, here what you are seeing, this is the melanin cell which we have got it after the centrifugation process. So this melanin cell we are going to transplant on the targeted area. So first this melanin cell suspension we are putting here, and we have already prepared the surgical threads for making the tie over dressing. Slightly open your mouth. Yes. Right. This is the micro skin graft. This we are applying. Combination of melanin cell suspension and micro skin graft we are applying here, so that my client gets faster result. So you can see additionally we are putting skin graft. So here you can see we have additionally put very thin skin graft on the entire area. So 3 layers protocol we have given here. First we have put the cell suspension, then the micro graft cutting, and then the full length skin graft we have applied to ensure the best results here. And same way we are going to apply on the upper lips also. So here is after we have put the full length thin skin graft. on the top of melanin cell suspension. So this is going to ensure that the repigmentation on this area should become more fast. So collagen dressing we are putting here. So on the top of collagen dressing, we are going to put paraffin gauze dressing. So above the tie over dressing, we are going with the Tega drum dressing, because the combination of dressing is required to keep the melanin cell suspension in place. So friends, we are done with the treatment now, and you have seen that Mr. Jonathan is one client who has given his consent for this video. We are thankful to him, but we have many clients, those who are coming from across the globe, and this is the trust and the popularity of our clinic. You have any concern relating to skin disease, hair problems, our details, clinic location is there in the comment section below. You can keep this channel subscribed for the regular updates. This is Dr. Ram Prasad from Healthy Colors. Thank you for watching.